Hey, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to today's video on the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt cordless string trimmer blower combo kit review. Watch till the end to know our verdict whether it's worth it. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt cordless string trimmer blower combo kit overview. This trimmer is designed to offer you comfort and ease in keeping your lawns looking good and well manicured. Its handle and controls are fitted with a soft rubber overmold that gives a good grip and full control to the user. It's fueled by an M18 platform battery that delivers 9 amps and is equipped with a fast charge system. This machine has 2 speed settings that are high and low, and also coupled with a variable speed trigger for maximum control. This cordless string trimmer has a bump feed that will take strings between 0.080 inches and 0.090 inches depending on the type of job or user's preference. The blower is also strong, delivering 450 CFM at 120 miles per hour, making it very easy to clean lawns after cutting. And the blower uses the same battery as the string trimmer. What we liked: takes a variety of string sizes, multi-speed for ultimate control, quick lock system for fast string feed, lightweight. What we didn't like: need a second battery ready, manual feed process. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt cordless string trimmer blower combo kit specifications. The Milwaukee M18 combo kit has a very good width of 12 inches, and it's designed to do edging without strain. The operator will find grip and handling very natural when doing edges using this machine. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt cordless string trimmer blower combo kit features: design and build. This string trimmer is built of lightweight but very strong steel and aluminum, which is well protected from weather conditions and rust. Most of its weight comes from the battery, which is made to deliver maximum power. However, the battery lasts for about an hour. This is mitigated by having a second battery and a fast charger, making sure you never run out of juice. The machine also has a metal bump guard, which protects the bump feed from damage, setting this machine apart from many of its competitors. The string feed is made to be easy and quick, although manual. The string feed for this machine is known as Quick Lock and was developed by the Milwaukee Company. Vibration, noise, and environmental pollution. The Milwaukee M18 uses electric power from the M18 battery, making it clean and emission-free. While using this machine, you don't have to worry about smoke and carbon emissions. This string trimmer has a very low noise level at 87 decibels, which is rated as excellent. The motor is guarded by very efficient dampers, reducing vibrations during use, and the user cannot feel the vibrations as the grip area is also covered with soft rubber overmold. Bump feed system. You'll find that the machine has a manual feed for the string, but the difference is that it's very easy and straightforward and doesn't require any additional tools. Milwaukee has patented the Quick Lock mechanism, which is an absolute game changer in the tools industry. Verdict: should you buy the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt cordless string trimmer blower combo kit? Yes. If you love working on your lawns or you are a professional gardener, this string trimmer is very handy, and it will help you clear the job without much of a hassle. You will not need gas or cords while doing the lawns. The blower also comes as part of this combo, meaning you'll trim and clean up very quickly, with very easy conversion, and on a budget. Who is Milwaukee M18 combo kit best suited for? This machine is best suited for DIY lovers, and also professionals who like investing in high-quality tools. The machine can be operated by anyone who has the capacity to operate machinery and doesn't require any training. It comes with a manual that's straightforward and self-explanatory. Are there any alternatives to the Milwaukee M18 combo kit? The best alternatives to this string trimmer are Works GT 3.0 20-volt string trimmer and blower combo and Maxlander 12-inch 20-volt cordless string trimmer and blower combo. Although these two machines have a 20-volt battery, their amperage is lower compared to the Milwaukee M18. The two alternatives deliver almost the same power compared to the Milwaukee trimmer. Well, that's it for today's video. Like, share, and leave a comment below telling us what you would love to see in our next video. Take care.